welcome to Billionaire. This is RP here, recording video on 15th of October 2022. We are going to discuss Nifty in terms of price action and indicators first, then Elliott Wave, and then we'll check the option chain. So we are going to check levels for next week and for next day as well. So last week in a previous analysis, we mentioned Nifty could find support near 16,900, but Nifty made a low near 16,950 and then gave a big gap up opening, but that gap up did not sustain, right? So the view from previous weeks are like this. This was the view from previous week, 8th of October. And this was the way we have projected move with WXY waves. So this is the way we expected Nifty to come towards go below 17,000 and 16,900. So this is the way exactly Nifty has moved. Entire week it has spent making this Y wave. So another way we discussed is that Nifty is still within this range and a break of either side. So if this is broken, then it can be A, B, and C waves going on the downside like this, or if it does not, if it breaks this, then it can be 5-wave correction, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This will be more dangerous because after this break, after 5-wave completion, somewhere near 16,600, it will give a bounce back for 1 or 2 months. It will spend in a bounce back, and then sharp downside is possible. So this is more dangerous if we break 16,747. If we go up without breaking this, if we go up like this, we discussed, right? Then it will be fall can be still there, but it will be less severe. Okay, so this is the way we discussed our previous analysis, and these are our couple of charts that we discussed. We are having a bearish view because of swing 18,114 break has been failed. It didn't break. It made a high near 18,096 and then gave a dip. So another way we are considering a drop is possible because of this ending diagonal pattern form at the top, and this is the top 18,096 that it has made. After that, it has gave a drop on the downside. So these are the ways we are plotting our wave counts with WX and Y wave currently in progress, heading towards minimum 15,000, or even it can head towards 14,300 as well. So this is the way we have projected our previous analysis. You can watch our previous videos. You can visit our channel and look for weekly Nifty analysis playlist. In this, we have explained all our previous analysis. So so thanks for those who added the comments. Do keep adding comments on the videos. It will motivate us to do more. We even do some educational videos like this. We covered what is the best moving average pair in one of the video in last week. We'll also cover a couple more education videos. So do hit like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Add the comments, add the doubts. Don't hesitate to ask your doubts. So let's get started and do the indicator based analysis. So in this indicator based analysis, we see here that Nifty is in consolidation, trading near all the short-term and long-term moving averages. So all the short-term and long-term moving averages, which are 13, 48, 100, and 200, are nearly same or near about same levels. So in, let's say, 400, 500 points range, it is not even 400, 300 points range, it is trading all the moving averages. So this indicates a sideways market. Even Aron indicator is a better signal for us to see and tell us that it's a sideways market, as the lines are parallel. So when these lines are at extreme, when the green line is at extreme and red line is at 0, so 100 and 0, when this is like this, it will be a bullish market. And if it's at negative extreme, it will be bearish market like this one. This gave a drop, right? So from this point we got drop. So that's a bearish market. Here also it was, for some time it was at the extreme negative. So that was the bear market. So currently it has given negative crossover. So market is bearish to sideways. That's what it indicates on daily chart. RSI is below 50, or you could say below 50 is considered bearish, but it's still at a neutral position somewhere near 48. So if it goes below 30, it will be oversold market. It happened in these times, but after that it came here, bounced back. So indicators tell us that the market is sideways. So what is the support for us? Next support for us, support is here, 16,950 again. This is the triple bottom pattern, and probably it will not break 16,900, because that is where we have 200 EMA. If it breaks this, this support will not be saved. It can even drop 200 points on the downside towards 16,500. So somewhere near that we can have next support. Let's mark that support, probably here, not here. Yeah, most likely here we have support near 16,430. So that is the next support coming as per the price action. So somewhere near 16,500 to 420 we could find a support if we break and close below 200 EMA. Till now 3 times it attempted to break this, it failed, right? So let's get started now with Elliott Wave to get more clarity of the moves. So yeah, with Elliott Wave we can see here that market is also in sideways. It could be forming a triangle, or it could be a zigzag up move, or it could have ended the drop here with 3 wave moves. So these things are a little bit tough to tell you. So one of the confirmation for us is Nifty has dropped from 0.6 Fibonacci here. Okay, so let me tell you 0.38 to Fibonacci, sorry, deep correction. And if I go here, so the rally it gave from this point actually, right? So the rally it gave, or a gap up opening that it gave, has been dropped more than 40%. So this indicates the bulls are not in control and they are losing control. There is one chance that it could find support here and head higher, but for this we need to wait for 17,348 to be broken. We should not be going long in this entire region. We should wait for it. So unless this is not broken, we cannot say that it will shoot upside. There are chances, but yeah, there are chances because of this channel, because it's perfectly fits. Some part is left here and it can bounce back. So a couple of things here we will check with the invalidation and confirmation level. So break of this 17,348 will open doors for 17,600. So when you mark Fibonacci on these 2 points, you get 0.600 Fibonacci near 17,600. So somewhere between this and this it can go. Okay, 17,600 to 17,900, it can go in that range on the upside. Most perfect signal for confirmation of the upside is 17,430 break. So this break will give us a definite idea that 17,600 to 900 it can head on the upside. So this is the bullish case that we are discussing. The first bullish case is in the form of this. Okay, so this can be A, B, and C wave instead of 1, 2, 3. This can be A wave, B wave, and C wave. So this is three swing wave A, and then this will be a complex B wave, and then there will be 5 wave swings down as a wave C. So this is how we are going to move if this pattern is correct. So here we are assuming W wave completed. Internally it is a 3 wave structure. X wave completed. This is also 3 wave structure, and Y wave will be 3 wave structure. It can head between 17,600 to 900 on the upside, and then the drop would come. So for this, one can use this as a confirmation. First indication that we are going on the upside. Break of 17,348 can be the confirmation for us that we are going on the upside. So this is one way to look for this chart. This chart will get invalidated once, like without breaking on the upside, without breaking 17,348. If it goes like this and breaks this level, which is 16,950, this chart will be invalidated. Another second case where A wave could be, again we are considering WXY itself, but a little different approach. This will be a more bullish because A wave will be a 5 wave structure. Okay, and then B wave will come, and then C wave will go on the upside. So this will be a zigzag correction. This is more dangerous, and you could say for shorts this is more dangerous. It will shoot up faster than the previous wave count. So for this, what is the invalidation level? 17,142 break, because then the wave A cannot be 5-wave structure. It will break the top of one and it will invalidate the wave count. So this will not be a 5-wave A wave. This will be 3 swings A wave. Okay, in that case. So this should not be broken and it should head higher by breaking 17,311. So then a B wave of consolidation can come. It may be just small consolidation somewhere between 17,500 and 300 as a B wave, and then it could shoot higher. This is the way we can consider this particular move. So here nice leading diagonal was formed, and here also there was a leading diagonal on a smaller degree. It completed 3, 4, 5 here. So this is a good 5-wave sequence, but then the drop continued. After opening some points, it went on the upside and then the drop continued. So most likely the first two cases may not happen. Considering the sideways market, it can be this case of consolidation. That's what I think. And yeah, this will be this. We cannot say that it's not fourth wave because this is not broken. And this, until this is not broken, we can consider this as a fourth wave with 1, 2, 3 and fourth wave completing here as a triangle, and a fifth wave can head lower. This possibility is still open. So the triangle confirmation can be like the one here. 17,148 break tomorrow will give us the idea that it will be triangle. So be careful. Tomorrow it might open like this. It will break 17,142. It may swing high and then drop on the downside again towards this blue trend line, which will complete the D wave. So triangles are 5 swings: A, B, C, D, and E. Each internal swing is a 3-3 wave structure. So 3 waves, 3 waves, 3 waves, and again 3 waves, again 3 waves, like this. So it also meets all the criteria related to triangle. As of now, we cannot confirm this it's a triangle or not, because until and unless it bounces from this trend line and start to give indication that the E wave is in progress, we cannot be for sure say that it's going to make a triangle. So we have to remember that on the Monday it can open and break this 17,142, considering the global markets, bounce back a little and drop on the downside. Then again on Tuesday maybe it will complete the E wave, and on Wednesday we could see a drop on the downside. So this pattern suggests us that this is the main trend, this is the consolidation, and then this is the continuation of the trend. So let's see if this happens or not. Again, all these three patterns will get invalidated once 16,950 is broken. So if it comes like this, then there is a chance that it will drop downside. So break of this again is a signal that we are making something else, and this may not be a triangle. This could be something else, but 16,950 break one more time, I will assume it is heading towards 16,500, because here we have made a support 3 times. So this should be a good opportunity. If it breaks on the downside, then this will be wave 1, this will be wave 2. Somehow I'm not able to label this as a 1, 2. So this possibility is not having 16,950 break is not looking like there is no pattern that fits here if we break 16,950. So I did not tell you that. So we have to consider that it will not break this. So the 3 possibilities that we discussed, you can watch again, you can watch the levels again, confirmation and invalidation levels. That's how we are going to move in a next week. So first 2-3 days are important for next week. On the option chain, we will discuss now based on option open interest. Here 17,000 is obviously the major support with 30.5 lakh put open interest. This is the major support. Usually, like the biggest number we have to consider as support. Obviously, the supports can be broken. There's no doubt about that. And resistance, okay, sorry, second support is at, where is that? Second support, yeah, was here, but it has closed somewhere near that support. So not sure whether this number will have any value now on Monday, or whether it will take support and bounce back again. Okay, so in that case, the triangle case can work out well for us. So yeah, second support is this. First is 17,000, second is 17,200 as a major support. So break of this support, 17,000, will open doors for us for the next supports, which is around these two numbers, 16,600, 700 and 16,800. They are almost equal open interest. Break of this, it will take us towards this. Again, second time break. Okay. So on the upside, we have a resistance at 17,500, which is having highest call open interest. You can see the shorting got increased on Friday session. After opening, we have big shorts added on these all the strikes. So this indicates a bearish sentiment or a bearish sentiment in the market. There was a huge gap up, but the numbers here you see, they are very small. So the increase in percentage you will see very big. Actually, the numbers added here are taking more importance, because not here, but yeah, exactly near this. We should ignore the 50 strikes. So yeah, number added at 17,200 takes the more precedence than this, because these are already a smaller number. You will see percentage increase higher. But as I see here, it people who are smart enough, they shorted the call and made them as a resistance. So Nifty, after openings near 17,300, it dropped entire day. First 1-2 hours, it went up and then dropped on the downside. So we even discussed how markets will move on a daily basis. We create those playlist, like we have those videos daily. We create 1-minute video to understand levels for next day. You can see our accuracy in those, and let us know in the comments if they are helpful to you or not. So that's all on the Nifty's analysis. So thanks for watching. Keep in touch. Add the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.